Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our maintenance guide for the Conga 6090. In this video, we will cover the essential steps to ensure your robot vacuum operates efficiently. Let's get started with the tools you will need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a small brush for cleaning. First, ensure your Conga 6090 is turned off and unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. Begin by removing the dust container. To do this, simply press the release button and pull it out gently. Once removed, empty the contents into a bin. It's important to clean the dust container regularly to maintain suction power. Next, let's focus on the filters. The Conga 6090 has a HEPA filter that should be cleaned every month. To access it, locate the filter compartment on the dust container. Remove the filter and tap it gently to remove any dust. If it appears excessively dirty, consider replacing it. Remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation if you're unsure about the condition of your filters. Now let's move on to the brushes. The Conga 6090 features a main brush and side brushes. To remove the main brush, use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the cover. Once removed, take out the brush and check for hair or debris wrapped around it. Use your small brush to clean it thoroughly. If you find the bristles are worn, it may be time to replace the brush. If this seems too tricky, remember, we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. After cleaning the main brush, check the side brushes. These can be removed by simply pulling them off. Clean them with a soft cloth and ensure they are free from any obstructions. Reattach them securely once cleaned. Next, let's clean the sensors. The Conga 6090 has several sensors that help it navigate your home. Use a soft cloth to gently wipe the sensors located on the bottom of the device. This will help prevent any navigation issues. It's a simple step that can make a significant difference in performance. Now, let's talk about the wheels. Check the wheels for any debris that may have accumulated. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry out any stuck particles. This will ensure that your vacuum can move freely and efficiently. If you notice any damage to the wheels, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Finally, it's time to clean the internal components. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the interior of the vacuum. This will help remove any dust that may have settled inside. Regular internal cleaning can prolong the life of your device. Once you have completed all these steps, reassemble your Conga 6090. Ensure everything is securely in place before turning it back on. Regular maintenance will not only enhance the performance of your vacuum, but also extend its lifespan. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel. We're here to help you with your vacuum needs right from your home. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.